Okay, guys, welcome back. And today is the 12th of May revision. Let me just double confirm that you can see my screen properly. Yep. Okay, just double check. Okay, so now we're going to revise what happened on the 12th of May that has happened yesterday. Okay, let's bring in the charts right now. Just give me a moment. Okay, so let's just take a look, and this is the Dow Jones chart. So guys, I already repeated to you 10,000 times at least that never fight the pivots. So yesterday we talked about this sentence, don't fight the pivot. Someone asked me, what do you mean by don't fight the pivot? Okay, very, very simple. Okay, pivot 1 is here. Pivot 2 in general. Hold on, Pivot 2 is here in general. So basically itself, right, this is also known to be the resistance level, and this is supposed to be the support level, okay? All right. So the thing is this, y'all can see my chart, right? Can y'all see my chart? Yes or no? Just to make sure that you can see my charts. Can see it? Okay, good. So if the market opens here, that means the market opens between the RL and SL, it's still a very normal thing. But when the market trades above the RL, so basically it breaks resistance level, so for it to go higher, that's very normal, right? Okay, that's very normal. Okay, so once the market break resisted, if it's resisted, it will come back down. All right, pretty simple. But if the market stays above the resistance, then it will basically goes up. Now, you notice what I draw here itself? Do you notice here? I draw the market basically touching the line, then rebound. Okay, that is a very important part. So everyone take a look. Yesterday opening price is 41,773, right? Now look at the low here itself. Open, high, low, close, right? The low itself was 41,606, which means that the market actually touches the pivot 1, touches it, and then rebound. So that means the market was resisted, then goes up, break resistance, pull back, resisted, got itself supported at the resistance, and then shoot up. So once the market goes back above OP, it was a buy. And you notice one thing is up after that, right? The nearest KCB was here, okay? Then after that, there's no more KCB. The nearest KCB was here, and that was here itself. So the next line of resistance that's only available is a MA 200. That means that once the market breaks OP and after it basically clears the RL, the KCB here, right? The next available target that the market can go is the MA 200 already. So that was whereby I was telling you guys that if the market breaks above the KCB, MA 200 must watch already. And that's what exactly really happened. Now, of course, again, you may say, KL, this one maybe because of Donald Trump and China issue. Right. I understand that. TA is basically a forecasting tool of what could happen or may happen. Fundamental is what is the practical market that will happen due to some news. But have you ever considered the fact that maybe these two they already combined together? They know it. So I'm pretty sure that when you go to the meeting on Saturday, Sunday, Monday latest, they already probably had an idea in the market. And that's why Donald Trump on Thursday itself say already buy stocks in advance. But of course, this guy is crazy, so we put it aside. Okay, he's not crazy, yeah. He's just a CRAZY guy. Okay, so the thing is this: if you look at it, if you're taking a thesis theory from us itself, right? Then you know that if the market basically the next KCB is here, and then after they look up again, there's no available resistance until you see MA 200, and that will be the answer. So the market breaks KCB, and the next target is MA 200, and then let's put the answer there. Whether or not it reach that is secondary. At least you know what to do. All clear? If all clear, press number 7 right now. Okay, all right. So, why so no 7 plus 7? Okay. All right. So let's look at the 5-minute chart. Okay. So this is a 5-minute chart. So the market basically at the start of the day, it went down and then it got itself very strongly supported at pivot one. So that's a very classic sign already. Then after that, you notice something, huh? The boys, when they are buying, the price goes up, right? Okay. But when the boys are selling, the retail are selling, do you notice that the price just cannot go down? This is a very telltale sign that the market has support already. So you understand this, when the KSI is green, you notice that the price goes up, right? But when the KSI is red, the price although go down, but it's not really a lot. And then the one that really take this home was when the price pulled down and the KSI was green. Wow, that was something that I feel so strongly that the news might be coming out soon. And then I have to pick that phone call right here. Oh my gosh. I pick it the phone call right here before the thing shoot up. Oh gosh. Okay, so of course it's like wasted, right? So when things shoot up itself, I know somewhere around here I quickly came in to buy because I know that this news should be positive because I saw gold plunging already. So I rush in. I rush in to buy somewhere around here at KTR +1, and I basically took some profit at +2 and +3, and I was wow rewarded nicely here. And you can see that that's how powerful the system is. We in the morning has already had the opening price here, and yet the market already established KTR 123. And crazy enough, at KTR +3, that's where the market pulled back. Don't you realize that this is really ultimate crazy? Because it's like, how did the market know KTR +3 unless it's someone had told the market? But you look at the whole market, there's no KTR +3, right? It had to be created by somebody else. And the thing is this, we have it. And the market really hit there and stopped there. I mean, seriously, we have a system that basically a lot of us, we basically like we are telepathing everybody the same thing is out. KDR +3 must take profit. But we crazy in Singapore is so small, so small, and yet we can influence the whole world. Cannot be right. So that's why I say I'm probably not the only one who know KTR +3. So that's the reason why I say we should use it to our advantage. Okay, now mind. So the price after that, you notice that the diamond over here, you draw the line and the market recovers. And then next junction is the MA 200. Now, someone asked me this question, Kel. How do you differentiate between MA 200 and MA 30? Alamak. MA 30 is orange color, the orangey brown color. MA 200 is a green color. So simple as that. Okay. All right. So not the green color dots. Okay. It is all green color dots when it touches it. I'm talking about the line itself, the line. Okay. So when I saw the green dot and it stayed there, I know that we're gonna have the common thing, either like this or like this. So I chose the downside because why? I kind of realized that if I chose the downside, I just put a sell position here. My stop loss put here only but my profit itself could be this one or this one. So I basically was doing that. And I can tell you this, I was online with Yao Tong, if he's around here. And we were looking at this, and then after that it was ding dong in the night. And then after that thing bang came down. So I kind of booked profit somewhere around here. And I told him that 42.87 itself could be there. But I gave him another number. I told him, look, now everybody, I don't mind trying this. I'll tell you that this particular candle, okay? You follow me now. This candle, you take the opening and the heart and the opening and the closing. Now look at the size of it itself, right? Then you take your finger, index finger, and your thumb. You basically put it and put your index finger and thumb to the opening and the closing of the candle, and you shift it by one time. You will notice that you have somewhere around here itself. Do you realize that? Have you tried it yourself? Take your index finger and your thumb, put at the opening and the closing of it, and then you shift by one step itself. I tell you, that's how I get 42,422. Crazy. Yes, indeed, I got a screenshot. I'll show you all the screen between me and Yao Tong is last night itself, and the market really go there. Why is that so? Because in PTP, we learn this thing called one time one. This is where when there's a news in the market, right, usually the algorithm will play a part in it, and that was what actually happened. Have you tried that? How many of you have tried it itself? You've tried it, press number 8 right now. It means that you really take your thumb and your index finger. This one put the opening, this one put the closing, and then you shift one time up on the screen. And you will notice that the level itself will be exactly at 42,422 to 44 level itself. All right, only Disha tried. How about the rest? No one tried. Okay, anyway, so that is something that I have developed over the years. I'm not too sure if you have tried it yourself, but if you try, it'll be cool, yeah? Okay. All right. So of course, at the same time, there were also there were multiple diamonds that give us the buying signal, but majority are sell, right? There was some selling, here. But when the market stays above the diamond and the KSI is green, the market goes up and it closed at the high itself as usual, yeah? Right. Normally, when there's a fundamental news that's very positive, there will be the push up, there will be a pullback, and then usually the closing will be near the high. That is always the case, yeah. Okay, it seems that only Susan and Disha are around to talk to me. The rest missing already. 18 of y'all. Okay, anyway, that's what happened to the market. Okay, broader view. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom right into gold last night. Okay, so gold, obviously you can see that it opens and starts to trade down, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong at KTR -2, and then after it goes sideways, and then that was where the news came out. We have 4 diamonds stacked there. Now, someone asked this question again, Kel, 4 diamonds stacked, isn't it the very bull market? No, guys. 4 diamonds stacked is just telling you that the blue diamond and the 4 diamond comes together. By right, this line that you're going to draw is going to be very powerful. It doesn't mean that it's a buy signal. It tells you that this could be a very important line. So you notice this right now, there's a 4 diamond stack here. There's another 4 diamond stack here, right? So you can see how powerful it is. Okay, it doesn't mean that it's a stack diamond means market is sure go up. All right, but of course, if it's a market that is coming down and there's a stack diamond at the bottom, of course, this will be a very good buy itself. Yeah, thank you, Iman, all the way from USA doing this. Now it's already 10 o'clock for you right at night. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for listening in. So you can see that what happened after that, the market came all the way down. Then the market tried to recover initially, but you notice below pivot 2 and below OP, right? So we know below OP, below pivot 2 is always a sell. So when the market turns to yellow color from yellow to red, the market sell again. Only when the stack diamond come out, you draw a line, you notice the market get itself stabilized, couldn't really go down, and then it recovered. But even it recover, you can see that the market has a very strong resistance at KTR -3. And again, if you do a homework itself, you know that -3 cannot go up. Once the market breaks below again, the market sold down again. So all these are the classic telltale sign that if you have the system, you will know exactly where the technical line is. So what you do is that you trade B around the technical point, meaning you buy and then you aim for all the technical point for profit. Yeah. If the market cannot go up, then obviously vice versa. Cannot go up means must come down. It's as simple as that. What should go up should go up. What doesn't go up will come down. That's how it works. Okay. So it's not difficult to understand this at all. Yeah. Okay, guys, all clear? Okay, if all clear, that will be all for today's revision. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on Telegram later in the afternoon. I'm rushing for my next meeting. Bye-bye.